of it, but Stecher made a heads-up play.
Score! Off the face-off. Christian Fischer's got his second of the night.
Well, when you start in the offensive zone, you may as well take advantage of it, and that's exactly what the Coyotes do. But not here. A clean face-off win. Fischer, who is on his off wing, on that wall, so that allows him to be on his forehand to pick that puck.